think the health and beauty industry is an amazing industry. I mean, as a category, it's relatively recession-proof. So, I mean, when you look at what happened in 2008 and 2009, with some other categories fell off the face of the earth, whereas, you know, cosmetics specifically grew at 3% and 1% in 2008, 2009 respectively. I mean, when you look at what's changing or where it's heading, I think the really interesting part is the level of consumer knowledge and consumer awareness. So, I mean, for us, it's been incredible to see consumers understanding ingredients. Consumers now demand a level of effectiveness from all products. They understand the ingredients that go in there, so they're absolutely expecting that all ingredients are safe or harmful, and they're doing the research on the clinical trials. The level of change in diets has been drastic, and some of the crash dieting that's happening today has crazy side effects on hair and skin. So when you think of two of the organs that suffer initially when the body has a nutrient deficiency, it's initially the hair and skin are two of the first organs to suffer, because the body goes into survival mode and protects the internal organs. So health, you know, diet is a huge one. Stress is a massive indicator. The hormonal imbalances such as menopause and postnatal, but also a massive factor which is fairly relevant today is the aging population. So I mean, with the general aging process, the hair becomes thin, and people really have to think about preventative measures. The whole area of age management and anti-aging is going to become even more prevalent as we go forward, and as technology becomes better, and as we provide, or as the advancements in science provide better treatments. I think it's going to be a real focus for a lot of companies and individuals going forward. One of the great successes we've had at Lifes2Good is we've managed to hold on to a great team of people who have really brought us on to the next level. We have a very young, dynamic team. As part of, probably to our own detriment, we're a bit naive when it comes to what we take on, and one of our massive USPs has been the fact that we have gone into 9 distribution channels. Due to our impatience with waiting for one to develop, we've gone into multiple channels. So we currently we service the customer directly, so we have a direct response side of the business, which is roughly about 30% of our business today. We are in drugstores, so we're in over 20,000 drugstores across North America. We are in health food stores. We sell, or we work with doctors directly. We work with stylists and salons. We are in the mass retailers and also grocery. So we're spread relatively thin for a small, medium-sized company, but it's one of our massive advantages going forward. And also that's been represented in the last couple of years. We've been on the Inc. 500 fastest growing private companies in America list, which has been a huge achievement for us. I think the next wave, I think the potential going forward is really in transparency. With the digital age, consumers have really got a collective voice that they've never had before, and it's never been as prevalent as it is currently. So I think companies and corporations, the onus is back on the companies and corporations to really be transparent with one, the ingredients they're putting into their products, the science, the clinical trials behind their products, to show consumers, to give consumers the confidence that we have in our products, that they can see what we have invested to prove and to show how and why the products work. So our mission is to provide clinically proven products to improve consumers' lives, and I think going forward that's going to be a huge area that we can win.